FYI 10 ways to teach you to solve the problem that LightyearVPN cannot connect to the internet on Android phones. If you use LightyearVPN on your Android phone, you may sometimes encounter the problem that LightyearVPN cannot connect, showing connected, but you still can't get over the wall and open YouTube, Google, Twitter and other websites. This may be caused by some network settings errors of Android phones, and LightyearVPN cannot run or perform operations normally. The following 10 methods can help you troubleshoot possible problems and let you try and experience LightyearVPN happily. 1. Try other lines and different network modes. You can try other lines first. First recommend the BGP line, then the CN2GIA line. You can also try other lines. Then switch to different network modes on the client's setting interface. You can choose GFW mode, bypass China mode and global mode. LightyearVPN switching mode 2. Restore system network settings. Restore the network settings in the Android phone. First open the settings, then find advanced settings. The next step is to open backup and reset, and finally select restore network settings. Finally, don't forget to restart the phone. 3. App disconnected from Twitter just after I was connected. The background operation of LightyearVPN may have been terminated due to the energy-saving mechanism of the Android system. Here you need to manually set it up. Go to the Phone Manager - Start Management - Batch Manual Management, find the LightyearVPN and allow background activities. Or turn off the energy-saving mode of the phone. You can see it in settings display. The position is lower in the middle. This situation has been found on Honor 8, Huawei Mate 30 Pro, and can be solved by this method. For how to set up other Android phone manufacturers, you can refer to this help tutorial. 4. Set the phone DNS server. After connecting to a LightyearVPN, the mobile phone is still very slow or unable to connect over the wall. It may be because the mobile phone DNS is polluted or resolved to a foreign address. By modifying DNS to 8.8.8.8, 144.114.114.114 can solve this problem. The 1.1.1.1 DNS address can also be used. 1. Pull down the notification shade twice, click the gear icon in the upper right corner, and then click Wi-Fi. 2. Long press the name of the wireless network you want to modify, and then click Modify Network. 3. Click Advanced Options, and then click DHCP. 4. From the pop-up window, click Static, and then click DNS1. Enter the DNS address, 8.8.8.8. 5. Tap Save to finish. 5. Reset the network. On the setting interface of the LightyearVPN Android app, press the Reset button. 6. Restart the application. Restart the LightyearVPN application and try. 7. Restart the phone. Restart the Android phone and try. 8. Reinstall the latest version. Reinstall the latest version of the Android application of LightyearVPN. First completely delete the Lightyear app, and then download and install the latest version. You can download the VPN from the official website or download it from a network disk. 9. Clear LightyearVPN cache. On your Android phone, try to clear the cache and data of LightyearVPN. Click on the settings on the phone, then open the application management, and then search for LightyearVPN or LightyearVPN, and finally press the Clear Data and Clear Cache button. 10. Clean up Google Play data and cache. If you still cannot download the app on the Google Play Store after connecting to the LightyearVPN, it says something went wrong. Please try again. Just clear the Google Play Store data. 11. Clean up the DNS cache. Sometimes the inability to connect may be caused by DNS pollution. Turn on the phone's airplane mode, and then turn it off, so that you can quickly clear the phone's DNS cache. Then try the VPN connection. 12. Because of other applications. If your phone is installed with Sunli Accelerator and other similar applications, LightyearVPN may not work properly. Please close or delete Thunder Accelerator and try again. At last. If you still cannot connect to the internet, please contact LightyearVPN customer service to find a solution.